Hello people, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Beats here again. This is hive number 611 Mountain. Magnolia. I'm going to have to build a mountain out here and put this one on. We don't even live close to mountains. This is hive number 611 Magnolia tree. It's a double deep 8. And we're going to be going in it and seeing what they need, what they have. Get this camera sort of level. Just say it, I get it. That's in. We're going to start up here on the top. See if they need more or they need less. The camera keeps getting crooked. And I'm glad I'm not a professional camera person, because if I was, this would probably run me crazy. But I'm not, so it doesn't really matter to me. Okay. Last time we was in here was on 10-6, Yellow Queen. Roost Stores has unmarked cap queen cells. Ain't no telling what we're gonna find, Sam. You didn't put that on your calendar. Well, no bugs. No bugs. Queen cells are probably in the bottom. We're going to take this and set it over here. Take this wax and propolis off the top. This one here has some honey. No bugs. Remove the propolis. And that's them. This one here doesn't have much either. Has some fast tune going on. They're building it out okay. This one here, they're doing some fast tuning. It has some nectar. It has a little honey. And they're doing good. This one here has some honey, has some weight, it has brood, it has fast tuning. They're doing good. See those little bees over there on your left hand side of this foundation and the frame, they're holding on, doing good. This one here has some honey, some nectar, little brood, Yellow Queen, queen right here. Right here. So we're going to stick her back in the house. She's on the outside frame. That's why I tell you people you need to smoke first. If you got a lot of bees, smoke them. If you don't, you could roll that queen if there's a lot of bees on there. Stick this one right here. Take it off, put it over here, reset the camera. Bring my seat over here. This one. Got some honey. No bugs. That's about it. And that ain't gonna work. Take it, we'll put it there. We're gonna take this. Set it right there. Okay. Take this one. This one has some pollen on it. A couple of drones. Well, one drone. It's mostly all pollen. Bottom looks good. This one here has honey. Little nectar. That's honey on your left. Not too much on your right. A couple of old broods, and that's about it. That's what that is. Haven't seen those queen cells yet. This one here has some honey, some pollen. Same thing with this one. There's honey off to your left and a little bit off to your right. Got pollen in the middle. And everything looks okay. A little bit of fighting going down at the bottom, but not much. I don't think it was really a fight. It was more like a tussle. One bee was trying to get away. The other one saying, nope, 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 nope. This one here. This one here has some pollen. Little honey. And they're festooning where they're bringing them all in together. bottom clean. Okay, we'll put that back there. Bring all of these over here. Get them some pollen over here. Come here, girls. And I've got them some dry pollen out, but they seem to want to be messing with this one. Okay. I guess they cut those sails down because they decided we don't need this. It's gonna get cold. We don't have as many drones out here now. We may wind up with no queen, so they cut them down. Bees are smart like that, people. Us people that they call humans could learn a lot from these things we call honeybees and little varmints. We're going to look at this again. Need to find those queen cells. And if I saw those little things, I don't know why I didn't mark them. No queen cells on there, but they're fast tuning. I can remember the word festooning, and the only way I could remember it is I had associated with it in something, and the only thing I could associate that word with was Festus on Gunsmoke. No queen cells. Heavy. Yellow queen again. You know, queen cells. So not that many bees. We just go slide it back down into. We don't need to take that last one out. Put them together. And we'll come back later and take care of this one as far as far as what they need with their sugar water. They have pollen in the bottom. When I first started, there was a big thing about bees in the wintertime, and and them getting cold and freezing and all this stuff. So I made some shims. I guess it's the first time I started making shims. And I put screen in the bottom. This here is 1/8 of an inch screen here. Can't use it for sugar water. But I started putting bigger screen in it. And I put a piece of cloth down on top of it. And I put pine straw or wood chips or whatever in there. Then I started thinking those wood chips and pine straw, whatever I put in there, was collection of moisture that was falling from the top, and the bees couldn't get rid of all that, so it would make the whole hive cold because there was no ventilation in there then. And the bees are down there getting their food. But anyway, if you've done that and you've got screen, see this one's got screen on it. I don't put screen in them no more. I tore a lot of screen out before I got going with the feeders and stuff here and the sugar water and not the sugar water, but the sugar. That was doing good. Y'all give us a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, tell people about us, and y'all be careful and have a happy